What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun video using a new eyeshadow palette that I got from my friend That Dude in Makeup. He bought me this as a Christmas gift, and I know that was kind of a long time ago, but I'm finally getting around to making a video using this palette. Today I'm so excited to be showing you the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals palette. I have been using this palette in my everyday life, you know, prior to filming this video, so it's not totally brand new, but I love it and I cannot wait to show you guys. So here's the packaging, like I just kind of gave you a glimpse of. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a little bit hard to read. It's super cute, shiny, has these cute little accents on the corners. Yeah, so you can see it like that. And then this is the inside. I have not taken this film off of the mirror yet, but you can see how pretty. Sorry, my dogs are barking. You can see how pretty these colors are. So you can see I've used some of these colors. This is one of my favorite ones. It's like a gunmetal gray. I've used this a lot. I've used these two a lot. And this one, and this one, and this one. Sorry if there's like some background noise. The washer's going and it's kind of like making a lot of noise, so hopefully you don't hear it. So I already did my face makeup. I actually did not put concealer on, so that's kind of why my under eyes look a little bit dark. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing eyeshadow today. So let's get into the look. With this fluffy brush, I'm going to be dipping into this shade here. It's called Ashes. And I'm gonna put that right here in the crease. These colors are very pigmented. You don't really have to take a lot. There is some fallout. I don't know if you can see, but there is some fallout with these shadows. I feel like that's probably my biggest con about them, but they go on really nice and they're very smooth. These actually are probably the best shadows I've used, and this is the only Anastasia eyeshadow palette that I have and that I've ever tried, and I think this is like really good. I think their quality is really good and I really want to buy more stuff from them, because out of every palette I've had and every brand I've tried, I'd say Anastasia and Urban Decay, in my opinion, have been the best. So next for my lid, let's see, I'm just making this up as I go. Let's do, I'm gonna go into this shade here, Nocturne, just because it's my favorite and I kind of want to show you guys like what it looks like. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna put it over my whole lid. And then I'm gonna drag it up into the crease a little bit too, kind of to give it like more depth. And then same thing here. There's also one more negative about this palette to me. It's that there's not really a lot of transition colors, I feel. Like, I'm gonna go into this one here called Rose Quartz, and I'm gonna use that as a transition between like my under eyebrow and the crease that we just did. But it's there's not really any light colors in this palette. So it's definitely cool because you can work with it and like do different looks, but you kind of have to be creative with the palette, I feel. See, like it works. So it looks good. It definitely works. It blended well. So now what I want to do is I want to go into, I'm trying to get like close to the camera so you can see it. I'm going to take this fluffy brush here and I'm going to go into the shade Heavenly down here, this pretty light shimmer. And I'm going to put that in the center of my lids. Kind of give it like a little pop of color, or not color, but like a little brightness to it, a little glisten. And then same thing here. And then a little bit on the inner corner. And I like to dust a little under my brow, just like the leftovers. Oh, I got some in my brow. And then with the brush we were just using to do the transition, I'm gonna go back into this color Ashes, the first one we did, and just kind of go over this area a little bit, clean it up a little, because I got some glitter transfer. So just kind of clean that area up. And glitter in my eyebrow. Okay, here's what we've got so far. I want to take this brush. This brush I'm using, by the way, it's the double-ended brush that I always use by Urban Decay. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go into this color. Let's do this. Noble? Yeah, Noble. And I'm going to put this under my eyes. Now, like I said, I don't have concealer on, so my under eyes are already a little dark. Do you see how much, like how that went on? So I was gently tapping that and it went on so pigmented. But like I said, I have no concealer on, so my under eyes already look dark. So this is just gonna make them look a little more dark, but it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. I just did my makeup for the video. And then with the other end of this brush, I'm going into this shade again, Rose Quartz, and I'm going to use this as like a transition shade on the bottom. So, like I said, the negative about these is there's a lot of fallout. You can see here. There's a decent amount of fallout. Maybe with these shadows, you should do your eye shadow, your eye makeup before your face makeup. Or just put a translucent powder on and then when you're done, brush it off. So that kind of completes the eyeshadow look. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna obviously finish off the look with liner and mascara because that's how I like to do my eye makeup. So I'm using my Sephora liquid liner. Just doing a quick wing. Like I said, sorry if you hear background noise. The washer's going. The dogs are walking around. I don't know what that dog is doing. So my liner is done. mascara, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational to finish off this look. I really want to do a video showing you guys my face products, like bronzers, blush. Maybe I'll even include concealers and foundations in it, but I had a request about face products and I kind of want to do something like that. I just got the new well, I don't think it's new, but I just got the Patrick Star one size bronze shade and contour shade and bronze palette, and I love this. I have it on right now, so I'd like to do a video showing some stuff like that because I've been really trying to try new products and brands that I've never tried before, and kind of getting into a little bit of higher end makeup rather than like drugstore makeup that I typically used to buy. I also have on my lips right now the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Lip Gloss in, well, it's not a shade, it's just a scent. It's Cream Sickle Tickle. And it smells good. And it doesn't really hurt. Because this is the Maximum Plump, but the Extreme Plump, that kind of stings. Like, it takes a while to get used to it. But this completes the look. Like I said, I really like these eyeshadows. I really like the formula, and obviously Anastasia is a big brand in the makeup world, so I understand why. This is really great. Thank you to my friend That Dude in Makeup. Check out his YouTube channel also. We've collabed together. Thank you for buying me this. I love it, and I really hope to buy more stuff from Anastasia. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you have any requests for videos, let me know in the comments. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment, say hi, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.